Alright guys, here's a dumpster find. I found this quite a bit ago, maybe like a month ago or so, at a dumpster, and I just never got around to making a video of it. It is I think it's a mid-90s, if I had to guess. I didn't look at the date yet. It's an Air King by Lasko. It's featured in a couple of my videos before. See, I've had it for a while, but it works too. Well, didn't work when I got it. It doesn't have its original motor in it. I'm not sure what motor it has, but I know it's out of a different fan. It's not a motor from it. So, yeah, like I said, I'm not sure what fan I took this motor from, but I just know it was from a fan similar to it, because this is not the original motor, because when I got it, it didn't work. I also found another Galaxy nearby it in a trash pile, and it was dead, but it had the handle, so I took the handle off it, because this one didn't have a handle, so I put it on, and it works fine. So you can plug her in and show you how she runs. It's like a garage fan. I haven't cleaned it yet, but I get around to doing it at some point. So here's how not the best fan. These typically weren't the best fans. They were good looking, but that's it. So they weren't the best fans. Medium. And low. Back to high. And the OFF spells off. Proof right there. Okay, so now we'll get a startup sound, if there is one. So, here we go. We'll do medium next. Sorry, that was my brother. And low. This thing doesn't have much of a startup sound, but you know what? Still got something, but better than new ones. So check out the date code, and that'll be this video for today. So on either side there, turn it like this. Alright, let's see if we can get a date code on this thing. Let's see what it says here. Oh, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but right there it says 1994, and over here it says 95. You look at it for a second. 1994, 1995. So, yeah, this thing's in not the best condition, but it's still a fan. So, anyways, thanks for watching.